All right, let's take a moment to review all these comments here. All of y'all rooting for Chris made me act up. Let's go act up. Time to go put in some work. Stock motor Mustang, baby. Ah, shit. What a race car. Tell me what the setup on the car is real quick.
It's an LS3 418 with the T3 62mm turbos. It made 1076 on Caesar's dyno. And yeah, that's about it. A faceplated T56.
Versus this fucking turd right here.
Ain't no damn turd. Ain't no fucking turd.